ana Rodrigo Sanso ana Basa Lewandowski 2 goals neboa ema mutimi de nkunim fancy with the latest na mrene so beba na odie to fan and so call yensha asem free from the camp of the New Patriotic Party ahead of the upcoming Ghana general elections. No one more ede or more manifesto the ababe tuja ora Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Ghana Vice President Onukroya and Sanso the flag bearer of the MPP. One more ede manifesto ni tuja almost say to lead is to solve and no and the head team for the manifesto. Now during the launch, and Dr. Bawumia eka nsemba kumienu miensa and so the fire good year the kind or the two just said Nanseya near Olympic Games could a jiguye and so the more my Ghana now no said Yankopon Yadam Nasa Ghana for Tuaba at the yin so Ombe Ghana man penia or the Olympic Glory Program bibe tuja no bebwa mi etimesi se nyoma enko ye ewo ya good year mua ebebwa ma say quad the next Olympic Games 2028 na Ghana timia call not just to participate but also to win medals. We
are going to start an Operation Olympics Glory program by dedicating resources towards the preparation of our athletes and their readiness for the 2028 Olympics in Los Angeles, USA.
Enti where Dr. Bawumia come on to the Olympic Glory Program or no see to abamana wobe debetuja nabwa ema ye next ye Olympics ye bekono the fate of Ghana ebe very positive ye betimi e winning medals and so ewo ho na otwas will be on edin komo edefa Ghana ye Premier League no ho chrem se e ade aso no eba obetimi ahwemane obetimi akonkan ma chese Ghana Premier League no obetimi ahyemu nkran obekenya mu na ese etimi apeja eno akire obehwese Ghana Premier League club bia no obetimi enya bus e de amana no mo de dwumadie ahodo so de atutu twudwa ebema Ghana Premier League clubs no enso etimi enye ska yentie Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on reviving the Ghana Premier League.
We will support the revival of the Premier League and clubs to improve commercial viability and create related jobs by directing policy through the National Lotteries Authority and the Gaming Commission to establish and fund a sports employment module to assist premier clubs fund operational expenses, including player remuneration. And also we will provide a bus to each Premier League club. And we will build 6 5,000-seater capacity stadia for the new regions, the 6 new regions, and we will build a standard stadium for Sunyani because of their love of football and the many clubs in Sunyani.
Enti where Dr. Bawumia komo die edefa Ghana Premier League no na owie na ate se os new regions na yate no obehwe no watimi esi 5,000-seater stadium e dia mebia na titru no obehwe se obetimi esi a standard football stadium and a sports stadium and so Sunyani because Sunyani for no wo per football panti oye bibisa ebeboa emaneoma and so etimi akonkan and so edia mom yemfree still on Dr. Bawumia wakasa edia fa the nature of football pitches we Ghana ha na saying dodo na din komo chem se Ghana ye pitches ne de enye sebe ayese de ye didia potatoes na ono eba obehwe se the surfaces playing surfaces we Ghana ha no ye betimi asesem na ya pejema kodru the international standard na boa ema ye football na ye bono ahomka enso etimi abem yekotie Dr. Bawumia.
Ladies and gentlemen, also upgrade the surfaces of our football pitches to meet the highest international standards. And so we will be seeing an upgrading of the stadia in Kumasi, Accra, Cape Coast, Tamale, and Esipong to make sure that they meet the highest international standard.
And here, Dr. Bawumia Komodi ni yaba full time the Akimbia ni yadebetujwa na yatenase so ni yedi enkomo. Away from that, yanko to the CAF Champions League ho and Ghanaian champions. I know FC Samatex 1996 over the weekend. Omo Mbeki omo debut way. Omo first ever game omo ball and so ewa Africa. Nyankopon ya dom omone Victoria United ne boy all the way in Cameroon. Samates a winning game no by a goal to 0 away from home. Emmanuel Mama and they shared the only goal of the game. Ebuama Samates enya a first leg victory ahead of a second legger and also Ebebaso and so Ghana. Into way a team no one more free a Cameroon no more many chim and so Ethiopia en route to Ghana. Next one my barber to prepare for the second leg. And the Samates team no and who said one more two in passa or more full plane no Ethiopian Airlines now one more day aba a my Ghana via transit no Ebekoso ewe Ethiopia na and commodity no after the win. The standing captain for Samates, Ebenezer Aqua. Odin komo edefa game no chemu say e kwan ye fa so ma mutimi win ye no ne nchemu no say ne si etie yenti Ebenezer Aqua.
Because leading team to victory and it's a away game no because it's management no 24 no so players ni na obi enyagia ebi enyagia kofi before game no 24 ne kasa management no money kasa o ka kire say game say no ya bitmenya win miracle and ampaso ade o kan the same thing na ekwe en park so just say me unite me baako obi say board na phobia no hono me encourage I think say na me lead the win so much.
Enti nkabom na boa pia Samates mo mutimi di sankonim na no Ebenezer Aqua ne nkomodi o to aso bi o ka say adwuma ne de wo ma wie fa wo mu wie ni na enti enhu be hia say ahead of a second leg no still on be maintain focus on relax na o ma konkode akomanim to ensure qualification to the next stage.
One the leader so up because putting us over relax because of our 1-0 away football there be there to see winning the second match so it's not abesi you see mentality say be finish e really say match we will be
enti ani Ebenezer Aqua nkomodi na still on Samates president Edema Boboko no Dr. Richard Dia in Century after the game endra doc enso di nkomo na yenti Oran Century on Samates omo winner omutimi winning all the way in Cameroon.
Okay, so in the first place we thank Almighty God for granting us this victory in Douala. It was not an easy game, especially when we are going as D-bands and then also playing away from home. The boys have done very well and we all have to congratulate ourselves, and I want to use this medium to thank all our supporters both across the length and breadth of this country who supported us to reach this far.
Entiani ora Richard Dia in Century na ne nkomo no yaba full time e bi ka ho or the message bi akwa akoma supporters no enti yaba full time 9:30 a ye de ba betudwa enso e de ama na Samates echitafo no wo mo so kan mo de omo hwe from Sama Boy and Ghana Mantembia no wo mo anya kwan ye video e de wo mo nsem e bai concerning Samates win against Victoria United.
In fact, in the maniaje pa Samates nyamiadom some FC Samates wati enim. He said na ye ninna.
Some of us near did say they would win. At least yanya they cry they never lose there. No. We were not expecting to lose.
Niaje pa na hope say next week there ye na ebobo Sempune no mako Accra ya okwede akoto machi
enti sa pepepe eba akoto machi won kran na Samates the Confederation Cup, the MTN FA Cup champions I know Swatreman FC almost a boy against Ilesport from Shad and no Swatreman wa Accra Sports Stadium almost kano miensa and so what select sport for now womo entimi ante na mrante omushe goals no na se Abdurrahman wono ehemienu ana Kobna Edumeida enso sheba ko eboa eman Swatreman enso etimi peke wona se we no nije sem papa enso efrimu aba coach ya preko the first ever official game Otimi ewini for in Swatreman FC. Now come on and city any Swatreman fans in the game maybe after the game. Ewo Accra Sports Stadium 10 wa hono. Wamoso edi omende jisem etuja yenti omo. It where Swatraman fans and as a Niche and Omuma almost over second leg now away from Momenti. The two Ghanaian clubs of Africa no Nyankopaya Doma over the weekend Obia Ensu Etimi a win in a match. Samates away and Swatraman at home. Now to the CAF Women's Champions League and you need good news at the morning and I say second year Azakes ladies or more a winning 6-1 in their final game. Now Azakes a winning 6-1 no. Dia amwa amoma qualify omone AS Guard Nationale in the Shia or we need 6-1 next we share table next wa onya 4 points the same points as AD Entisel nenso goal differential of +4 +2 and one Bwama Hasakes ladies entimi qualify say Entisel for no omo 2 more goals better than Hasakes enti enya dia eboa Emma Hasakes ladies enso timi qualify to unfortunately enya dia a Ghanaian team ebetimi nya akonya na kopiem ewo the CAF Women's Champions League Intertribal Football Tournament nisu gusu ekoso na se eye nigesem eye ahomkasem ni na ne se enra game back on enso etimi todwa na se de okokohwema Dagomba wamone Zamrama de Shiaye the Enquad Global Ashanti Regional Intertribal Football Tournament Zamrama for no eshe 2-1 against Dagomba Zamrama qualify enso de kopiem was semi-final stage and another game enso bebaswa there's a Abuapo Medobi Park semi-final 1 Kanjaga wamone Fulani and Asia 4 p.m. and a game no enso ebaso enso ewo hoyenko fancy aswe na yentwetwe nkomo ni na emfamfa de ekoso ewo enkofo kroso na bibia aboko de
wo divine intervention
who I set na Makai Madrid na ebufo yaba it men be say me what to say I am not well
I know where Madrid for
it is not well. It is not well with my soul. Everybody yankopo. And I'm saying, I did take green. Mama it is not well. It is not well. It is not well with my soul. Oh, Master one. Nanko for yama me cash out. Me so.
So we do fupe.
Ade.
Ubedi 800. And the amount 600 and something Ghana cedis. And I was
now we need GD and couch 800.
Oh, much
I don't go to 600.
And on
next time they may.
Now, make you come over for a fellow car.
Next time may.
Next time may. There will be no next time. I did answer now. Power. Sharak, my video now.
Sharak, my power.
The answer now.
Power. Oh, this is serious. It is serious. Okay. It's serious. But apart from that,
Chelsea
oh, well, Chelsea bear 5-6 matches.
But there's something say now man see the show a news.
Oh, we encore.
Power. Yes, and your brother so your granna your foreign news ama your chef for and Monday wa branch media. Your father set up for Fernando pound 70 no. Your delay just by your betnas 9:30 media. And no I standard version archers and I full time no. Your delay just about my main fan to him say Enra. Bobo Crab fan said Napoli start to media mo and some Aquawe Ecolusu gamer and also about and was shockingly team. Your father say hello Zorona Omoshamiensa and some Napoli team no. Woman to me and Chabranta want to say Rocha Livramento or no about first goal our second half for them and watch it when my brother want to say Daniel Mosquera one of the second goal and the third goal in no and some so Emma Saida your fan say Hellas Voronia Archers and what game no and some about Sunina no Politimono woman some Aluzuye now the camera could have fan say David Neres also ready no now my coach was a Benfica manager your fan say Roger Schmidt and Yakotano and some our problem entire day or some point no and some adjoining side your father said Napoli samano kasa kwadana no paya one also about drew I have last what and I just a point about any medical to ya kwadana your father said Neres or your Brozonia kwada I says so about signing the contract no and some Napoli our brother payano and about the medicals I just I want something no yet from no kaya says no Jamison says Napoli woman some Lukaku ebetimi awie ena esansa no paya asase ade eba say wo do no nyina no yesem anioma hiti e wa bra ansom na no de menya no say the Victor Cement no eno som anka o wo mo ya wie boboku a ye fa no say Napoli ane Chelsea branch na ye fa no say Lukaku no nyina no say still Chelsea for no wo mo som ada so ho do no mia no nyina say I was say separate untimi ka say bia wo je Lukaku menso me je bi o Cementi yen kan nyina mom dabi ye say Chelsea for no ensom aba so no Napoli area for akwadana ye fa no say Lukaku ansana wo mo som aba beka o Cement no a Chelsea eno wo lusi Chelsea nso lusi we hia we nso hia we no nyina so mo stress mo ho a Chelsea no update ba manager na ye fa no Antonio Conte was saying ayenim guase admano was starting the playing career was starting the coaching career they be to say no ebi some Antonio that is akoba se enroa Napoli some anya defeat our match ni ma the manager nyina kan say na Chelsea enye coincidence be last season no Napoli eto so makoma ko edu wo mo to so 10th e wo league ni ma eno some match Sompa nyoma wo fom a Chelsea no update e ba ho nsam nyina no ye de ema ye to for enano pay and some our show no so coach na ye fan say answer flake ono and coach FC Barcelona when him say nano Saturday omo game about so koba say Barca Eco Stadium Mastella wo mo some asha 2-1 na akokoba say manager one start in here dintia make us one start in here and say mebeka say Olmo on your registered on to me most game no and watching Kodani be and some nyamai ebumo appropriate ebumo nya recover a just on share manager kwata wonom adomo koye adwuma ni nyina chi womus about 2-1 na just manager nam aya adwuma pa after the game no wo bo Akodana fan say Lamine Jamal and some abaso and watch the most important thing and some other manager say what did you about say here and say 3 maximum points on my away and some akwaje yinti Barca coach ye fan Hansi Flick.
I mean, he's a fantastic player, so he's very important for us. I think today it's a lot of things we have to do better. But it's the beginning of the season, so it's also something to do with the confidence we have and we have to create. And with these 3 points, I think it's much better than for us.
Yes, I know a Caribbean manager, Fanasa Flake, and I'll tell you, you're getting some Emma, and I answer about Corima already, and so no. My main friend to him say, Kai gun to an Okaya, a confirmed stories, a baby at Demand, yes, Abia, with Riti and Wabba story, and what John Alcoma Catchall say, Bossa Fonse Rafinha, and he Kai gun to ano, say, Omunya Scanabia, Sicania, come and Quandia, I was almost told Omunya be at the Rani Bobokua, your friend of Boss and Chimano. Player na ye fan say good to anadiano wo say one who 33 years and watch it je ten say Pedri eba Femi Lopez eba Dani Olmo and some aba eba sa e makwan e masan kwadano wo muntimi mpagya ento so mo shepe no and some akọ ema chese free nia ye can say space ema tim no na report am say kan nyina no say ebesi ne ye say boy ne dachi akwa bibia ho na je ten say e kai good to one bibia chese dia obeko ewa abra asom na report am say kan nyina no and some other sponsor for no and some abeja ne kwana adeba kono say enra Real Madrid akwa Mallorca akwa 1-1 Shadrack Mame records kasa and some editia bobokua ye fan say Madrid almost say anytime be about start La Liga na uye team wo first game wo ko eya way na chese okobo Mallorca fa show tirim sa ye ne La Liga no wuntimi nje emani nya ye and then was Real Madrid that first game wo mo kwa away our La Liga ni mo a chese mo ko Mallorca na ne automatically sa records aya jumadia na ne chese Real Madrid boboku no wo wuntimi nje La Liga fi ensom amani nya ye and watch club bian ho a diamensa kan sa Real Madrid fans so antaisi sebia La Liga mo gene 2 consecutive times sebia mo gene last season na this season was signed 16 years any ebe som ansibiam da and watch Real Madrid team no wo muntimi nche La Liga no ansi omona so our brother same coach eja atwa so premier no and no some agena for 35 good years ni nyina na records akase tia boboku ye fan say Madrid our brother peno and no some other ensemble and wa branchena wonom ateka our brother Rodrigo about first go ama Madrid and watch my Mallorca Aristo Paritino, Yafana Vedat Morucci, na Morucci no, one and a two also man of the match award. Enra was almost starting game no. Catch there. I am Madrid and Crawford. Say, Namon Crawford, one papa. I am no more. Canio, Namon, Dobas one canning in answer. Wama bomb the area. 18 matches are canning in ano. Or Real Madrid, the best of luck. I just am all start this season. Now we'll start against a defending champions. We'll start against the best team. Now we not draw. What did you about Enra resort? No, and some fantastic Adam Saida. You found some Mallorca, Senra. And some about a first timer manager fans Ancelotti started season. Now the first game as manager. One of some 90 million winning and some our Madrid actors and some update and Roman for Shasia. One more raising concerns at the Mama time of Muria. Nam Amokofa Aya Bass Nakono. Among four Busak Ancelotti's opening. Nam the full scientist says Abakoye. Now Ediana Crossroad also Munya Botre. Aya Calm and Jamani and I'm all your camera, Munya Botra, all your Sassino, and some Adiaman supporters, and in and Summer, and some from Enra, no Rafona Dal, and some Mallorca Stadium, more supporting the team, and some I am Madrid, Omuria, Nadal, and a Bonamasa, when Richard Milber $1.2 million, and a Tintum Nadal and Sassano, Omuria in Mbappe, and some Asia Nadal, Anthony JC, and some Aman Timama, one more anasa Mbappe and on here and our bam Akwadana wo ya de maka de friend back and some adin autograph area toso and some adama Rafona Dala we ayachas or hine Awashia aye prince sansa na down love when our kwakoduna was throw a friend and Mbappe mo froba I just want the JC and so kwakomana and update about problem as I say among for some who Enra yes Argentina Vinicius Rodrigo, Eduru Babina, Chesem Mbappe, and Bellingham. Woman now Kwakodi, Aya Benkumosa, and Roman for Cross, I left FC. Now Chesem Benkuma FC, Omon Romunina Gubenkumo, many Janesen between Vinicius and Mbappe. And if I was for boss, I left side on one and a better side day. Among four kind of changes, Among Tabasansa, apart from Modric, our Bamuntam, Omoma Caninano, I 87th minute, and it just 88 for Natchez Ancelotti, and the changes in the end time and was something and some about Brahman for so comment here. Yet the update about Unum Samano Casa Arsenal and some I know game nano Saturday Unum's opponent to the coach and some I say you want to just say what did he about Arsenal Bobocon I already say one some about Jilly Caswoman also no I Wolves or manager your father said Gary O'Neill also what did he about Arsenal and some Afana Shani Musafi most some about me at Premier League and some yes, now some manager. Your fans are tighter. What boy I couldn't fans have it. Abaso, what's a have it? Among from respectino, among from Bununa, so I could down all year Jumapa, and what you live up to Ali Kickoff, no, one some to find Yoma, and my second half from Jumana Sampo, and your Jogo Jota, one and Mohammed Salah, and another Saturday, one also register 2 goals, Emma Saida, your fans live up on a TA, or fans Aguasil Emmanuel, or no, and a coach Real Sociedad. Many general comment or say, Ebesina Yakasa Martins will be Mentina, Warreject Liverpool. Untiminka, Sabia Kudano Krabetina, Bobo Cravansa Sociedad, not just Liverpool, Ebetimi any chance and watchy, Emmanuel Aguasil or say, Nabrant Vanisam, Ayatasala no more, our best called Euros or Bodma Spain or one of some Akobi. I tell some Mumian Abetimiaka Fay, Mika Marino Suya player, or some Abetimiako, Omumiano, Unya Obia or Tessa Samran Termiano, Nasa Kobasabi or Tenabi Omo Tonga, Wuntimin. Some I'm excuse I just I update and Man City at Chelsea and some Kayamianu Ama Chelsea Timono and to me and our bridge and Ra Ellen Holland says say what about 100 matches I'm a Man City 91 goals now just say 91 goals in 100 games I know I could fancy Ellen Holland and after the game I took Kovacic and some about second goal Chelsea manager say Omalusudi and so much no or say a better Inter Milan game no not just a Chelsea quite anymore. Yentie Chelsea manager Enzo Maresca.
I think the performance was good, unless the results that we don't like to lose. I think the performance was there. We compete, for me in this moment, probably against the best team in the world. We compete for large part of the game at the same level. For some moment we were even better. We create chances, and I think the big difference today between us.
Yes, I know I update but I know Kasa McTominay Fay, Jamina is a full and Bobo Kono Ramubia Mama say, I was sound of Pomutimi, a branch of McTominay tea, and no, man you follow, and some F5 we don't quite a Friday till Saturday. Oh, say,
on Major League.
I was on my mind for some of the Zamun and
after weekend.
Now, city show
after weekend, the who in the say, Chelsea Berry. Obedi tent.
Oh, okay.
Man, you Obedi
League.
So let's hear. Right, yeah, yes, sir.
Oh, okay, okay.
Man, you Obedi League, not Chelsea away. Chelsea Berry.
Okay.
So I don't know. Indeed, I'm fine, sir. I said, maybe I okay. And I'm not.
Oh, are they?
And I'm my own to the league.
Oh, you want to know shit.
Oh, but Benkume SHS. Oh, Benkume SHS. Benkume SHS. Oh, Madrid. I also adopted free SHS no. You're born a left and qua tableau bomb, sibri bomb, tableau bomb. You're quite Shadrach.
Beer. Amen. Fufuri yet down. Bepocho, balance na wakan. Fama mo wo fufuru.
Kwado, ye wo fufu tintintimo. Eye Kennedy. Fufu machine. Ani ye di adwuma wa.
Machine pani.
Awu se fufu ne nei wo ba ye anje. Me dey wo Kennedy digital satellite. E wada, wo benya de wo de be wo fufu fi wate. Kennedy digital satellite na me ka ho asem no. Ahani o. Fufu pounding machine na me ka no. Enunini Uba Kennedy digital satellite. Nyama obenya bia atoni. A commercial fufu machine, flat screen TVs, washing machines, electric and gas cookers, deep freezers, fridges, industrial sewing machines, air conditioners, any home theaters. Uba a wager old barrier. Yawo a traffic light na sepe. Opposite Kokwabite Junction, Kaswa Road. Na say on number no 0243 074 750. Say Kumasi Swa, Eduma a family plaza. Say a patata Swa, House opposite police depot. Number